Okay. All right. All right. One more minute left. Okay. So you have two wrong now. 40 seconds left. Okay. It's quite fast يا أحمد. They have two wrong. It's okay. ما تغيروش الإجابات لو سمحت. 3, 2, 1. Time. Okay, some rules we're going to review دلوقتي مع بعض in this. أحمد إيهاب 3 from 5, Selma 4 from 5, مؤيد 5 from 5, Yassine 3 from 5, Muhammad Amir incomplete, Zizo incomplete, Basmala still incomplete. Let's begin now here. Okay, let's begin here. Judy انت جبتي السؤال ده غلط. Okay, now pay attention. Job plus name. Okay, no punctuation. اتفقنا ولا لا يا جودي؟
اتفقنا.
Okay. العكس بقى name plus job بنحط punctuation.
تمام.
Okay. So
Okay.
your answer here, I think, Judy, what was your answer? It's probably answer A.
لا, it was the
Okay, that's the حالة كده كده. That you're gonna make me fight you. يا والله والله ازاي؟
hey,
Okay,
it wasn't okay, so I صار فاهمة.
comma verb غلط صح ولا لا؟
صح هي صح.
Yeah, so here you gave me a comma and you gave me a verb.
صح.
Okay. Some points عايز اقولها لكم برضو. This type of question يا إما هيبقى عندكم no double comma يا إما هيبقى عندكم إجابة double comma. When you have something like this, these are your only answers. مش ينفع أي حاجة تانية.
صح.
Okay? So what rule does this follow? Here we have a name and job. So what's our answer?
Like, you want the final answer?
Yeah.
It's B.
Okay. Good. Okay. So please remember that. Remember that. So again, one more time. No double commas, double comma. Those are only two options. مش هنركز على أي حاجة تانية. Our answer here is B, and then a name, and then we have a job. So ممكن نحط double commas or the job inside the double commas. Let's go to the next question. Question number 26. ما أعتقدش حد جابها غلط. So it's not something I'm going to focus on. But somebody did get it wrong في الحل. Mrs. Basmala.
Yes.
Okay, so here with question number 26. Okay. The fibularis longus and the brachialis. Oh, okay. This is actually a dangling modifier. This is not a punctuation question. This is something called not dangling, a misplaced modifier. Okay. So do you see how you shabab, which are skeletal muscles? شايفين ده بيتحط ما بين double commas, right? But what is the difference in the answer choices يا بسملة? What makes each answer different?
Like when it comes in the sentence. I think it's supposed to
Where it
come.
comes in a sentence.
Yes.
Good. So in which clause ده يا شباب, what does it do? It describes something. So now we're going to look here and say, which are skeletal muscles? That means لازم يجي بعد الكلمة اللي بنوصفها. So what are the skeletal muscles يا بسملة? You told me
D.
here answer D. Okay, good. But you told me
Yeah.
D. The brachialis
I
are
chose D.
yeah.
I
Or did you
did.
change your answer? I don't know. Check. I see D on my end.
I meant C.
Okay, what's the
I
difference
did choose
between
D,
C
but I
and D?
really when the which sentence comes.
Which clause, right? So enter D, you're saying
Mhm.
cylindrical ده ال skeletal muscle. Enter C بيقول the brachialis, that's the skeletal muscle. So do you see how they move the phrase around? And when they do this, you're checking for
Yeah.
a modifier. You're checking for a modifier. Thank you very much, Mrs. Bismillah. The answer here is answer C. Let's go to question number 27. Mr. Zizo, يا جماعة أنا عايزاكم تحفظوا الموضوع ده. Okay? ما تغيرش إجاباتك يا مستر زيزو. Alright? عايزاكم تحفظوا يا ريت الموضوع ده. وإيه الموضوع اللي عايزاكم تحفظوها؟ موضوع comma verb. You see, you got this incorrect as well, by the way, I think. Yeah, you got this one incorrect. Comma verb. لازم نقرأ. When I have a comma verb, what must I do, يا ياسين? What must I look for? يا عم
Another
ياسين بقى.
commas.
When I have a comma verb, what must I look for?
Another comma.
Another comma, right? So we have answer A, we have answer D. Your answer was C, صح كده?
I think so.
So did you read until the comma verb?
That's
Okay. Make sure you do that. So do you know why your answer is wrong? C would
I
be? Okay. عشان في subject, comma verb وده غلط. So now it's A or D. What's the answer?
yeah. Was ايه غلط.
A غلط, yeah, right? Comma verb. طول عمره comma verb غلط. Answer is D. Our answer here is D. Okay, let's go to the next question. Mr. Zizu, are you with me? You are with me. Give me a moment. Okay. Where's the subject of the sentence? Or هقولك حاجة تانية يا زيزو. معايا زيزو ولا لأ؟
Yeah,
مش
I'm Sam.
سامعني.
I'm with you.
Okay. Okay. Do we have a comma verb? Did you read the full sentence? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. طيب حلته ازاي؟ Here we have a comma verb. If we have a comma verb, what must we do?
Search for a comma. Another comma.
Yeah, a subject comma, right? And
Right.
here we have the subject, the black figures and David Hammond's. Okay, so we have two subjects there. Which answer gives me the other comma verb? Which answer gives me what I need?
D.
D gives me a comma. Huh? So subject, comma verb. نفس الباترن لازم يتحفظ الموضوع ده. Right? لازم يتحفظ. انت ما عملتش ليه adaptive test يا زيزو؟
عملتها النهاردة الصبح.
جبت كام؟
630.
اوكي. So اعتقد هو نفس السكور زي المرة اللي فاتت.
المرة اللي فاتت كان 600 I think تقريبا.
اوكي. اوكي. اوكي بس ما لم تغيريش اجاباتك please. All right, let's go to question number 29. من نيجي نغير اجابات ده كده بيديني داتا غلط. It's okay to make mistakes. عادي. It's not okay to change answers. Number 29. I don't see a problem here. Number 29. I think everybody got this one correct, right? Everybody told me answer B. أعتقد عشان موضوع الداش هنا. And finally, number 30. Did anyone get number 30? The 30 blurty, incorrect. Ahmed Iheb.
Yes.
Okay, so here, number 30. Why is it not showing up for me? Okay, cool. Number 30. Where's the subject?
So the subject over here is wait,
Where's the subject?
is it members nation? I
Yeah,
don't
all
think so.
member nations.
Really?
Subject, and then what do we have?
Dash.
Okay, so if we have a subject dash, what should we look for after that?
Dash verb.
Dash verb. Which answer does that?
C.
Dash verb. Very good job. We're done with this part of review. Let's go to the next part of our review today. Here, number 31. So دلوقتي نحل from 31 up until 39. هنحل from 31 up until 39. I'll give you 7 minutes. Please begin. All right. Mm, 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 mm. Dun, dun. 4 minutes. Apologies. Had to make a phone call there. All right. Ahmed Ehab, very good job. Muayyad, very good job. Zizo, you got cooked. كله غلط ما عدا سؤال واحد. Basmala, 3 wrong. Muhammad Emir, 2 wrong. Salma, 4 wrong. Yassine, very good job. Judy, 3 wrong with 2 missing. Let's review. I'm going to use Zizu's paper. Big Zuz.
s-
How many independent ideas are here?
the first question,
Number 31.
yeah.
أول ما تشوف punctuation marks أول حاجة بتعملها how many independent ideas. So how many are there?
2.
2. What's your answer?
B.
طيب في إيه? Right? So I'm also going to go to Judy, number 32. Same question. How many independent ideas are there?
2.
2.
Yeah.
Okay. What answers can you now must you focus on now?
C and C
And
and
B.
B. Yeah, B. Yeah.
Bro, both can work مع 2 independent ideas. Both can work with 2 independent ideas. What's the difference between the 2?
B works with like a listed, and C.
No.
Okay.
Not with independent ideas.
Gotcha.
B would be elaboration or explanation.
Mm.
So the mycorrhizal association with elder trees is well documented. Does it elaborate or explain how it's well documented?
لا.
لا. What's it doing? It's gonna give us a new idea.
بالظبط.
It's shifting the conversation. The conversation could بيتكلم عن well documentation. بعد كده idea number 2 بيكلمني عن ازاي بعدين بيقول لي relationship بتاعتهم. Right? So here we're gonna go with the answer C. And then
Yeah.
برضو you have a double colon. You can't have a double colon, by the way. Yes, Miss Basmala.
Mister, I still didn't get why 31 is not like it's not B.
Because
sorry,
2
not C.
independent ideas. It's 2 independent ideas. Why is there a discussion? There's no discussion. There's no confusion. 2 independent ideas. Period or semicolon. مفيش حاجة تانية تنفع.
Why can't we put a comma? Because we say which is classified as, shouldn't there like be a comma to end?
How many انت عايزة تمشي على مزاجك. أنا واضح
Yeah, I'm
وكلامي
trying to
واضح جدا.
understand.
No, understand what? What are you trying to understand? How many independent ideas are there?
2.
What's there to understand? You're all ideas. What is your only option? There's no other option that can work.
Or a period.
Or a period. خلاص. There's no other option that can work. There's no other option. مهما كان you try to twist it. Oh, في comma which المفروض يبقى في comma. ده نهاية الجملة. عادي. إيه المشكلة؟ أنا مش هقول لك ده نهاية الجملة. There are 2 independent ideas. You're overcomplicating something simple.
Okay.
You're thinking too much. SAT grammar is very direct. So answer B. And it's always like that. And it will always be like that. The same thing here, answer C. Judy, what was your answer here originally?
It was B.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so notice there the double colon. And notice برضو idea number 2 shifts the discussion, bro. It shifts the discussion. All right, let's go to this one here. Number 33. آه يا عم جودي،
ده على فكرة نفس السؤال اللي
ده
قبليه
نفس
عامة.
السؤال بالظبط.
ولا إذا كان قال نفس السؤال عملته غلط يبقى ده يتعمل غلط.
يعني مش هتشوفي مثلا ممكن في حاجة غلط.
لما أنا يعني كنت فاكرة الأولانية صح فعملت دي كانت صح.
ما تفكريش تاني.
نفسي والله.
ماشي. Number 34, Selma. How many independent ideas are in the sentence?
2.
Okay. What did you say في الانسر بتاعتك يا سلمى؟
أنا عملت B.
Okay, so why is your answer wrong?
I don't
Any
know.
idea? بيقلب الفكرة into a dependent idea كده.
Such as, oh. Oh, yeah, okay, I get it, yes.
Do you get it?
Yes.
What's the answer then?
C.
Yeah. Okay. وتقولوا لي ليه مش نقول إجابة دي عشان such as ما بياخدش comma. Well برضه you have such as the locative case for instance. أول مرة أشوف redundancy على فكرة في الامتحانات دولت. It's redundant. Such as هو for instance. Okay. College board ماشي college board. حركات college board وكده. Let me go to زيزو. عشان زيزو ما فيش أمل فيه في الحاجات دي. زيزو.
D.
على طول كده عشان semicolon periods أكيد اللي هيبقى period. طيب how many independent ideas are there?
2.
Yeah, there's two. Why do you sound unsure? أنا مش فاهم. Why do you sound unsure? Right? The Alpine summits were little more than wastelands, and this frame mountain, so it's a sublime objects capable. This shift framed. This shift, subject and verb. We have two. Answer D. What was your answer?
A.
That's crazy, brah. That cray, brah. Where's Muhammad Amir? انت فين يا محمد؟
موجود.
اوكي ماشي. عشان انت بتحب تخلع كده مش عارف ليه.
والله مشغول اعمل ايه؟
انت مشغول فين بقى؟ بتعمل ايه دلوقتي؟
بننقل فعلى طول واقف بقى مع عمال وكده.
اوكي عشان
عشان
محدش
كده
بقى
بدخل
يسرق
على طول
حاجة وكده.
متأخر وبعملش هوم
خد بالك هيكسروا العفش وكده.
ما انا كنت واقف بأمن على الايباد وهما بيشتغلوا فعشان كده اتأخرت.
ده الايباد ده يتحط في الشنطة.
ما هو
الايباد
بقى
والموبايل
خلاص
وحاجات
بخلص
الشاشات
وهبتدي
كده.
مذاكرة.
ماشي. Number 37. How many independent ideas are there?
ادي 1 ادي 2
Okay. What's the answer?
بي.
طيب جبتها غلط ليه؟
ما اعرفش احساسي قال لي كده وانا ما كانش ينفع امشي ورا احساسي.
احساسي
ما
حبيبي،
كانش ينفع
احساس
امشي
ده.
وراه.
Yeah, exactly. ده هيوديك في داهية الاحساس
مشيت
ده.
وراه ثلاث اسئله ورا بعض
لا
والثلاثه
والله.
جبتهم غلط.
انا اوكي there you go. وانت عارف اهو. Thank you sir. Number 38. Ahmed Hey did a very good job with this. That's super cool. Same thing with Yassine as well. Who else? I guess I'll go back to Ahmed or Muhammad. Yeah, I'll go back to you. How many independent ideas are there? This is a hard one, Mr. Muhammad. يا عم محمد بقى ولا
محمد
واقف مع
انا عشان
العمال
كنتش
دلوقتي؟
مركز بس انا.
There's only one Muhammad and that's you. Yeah.
اوكي كنت اوكي
اسم محمد ده منتشر أكتر في UK than in Egypt. Um, how many independent ideas are there?
1 2
Two. Now look at this part, gang. Which chord, look at this, is a given chord's opposite? This, نكتب كلمة which here. This is called a noun clause. Okay? A noun clause بيبدأ مع كلمة that, which, who, when, where, why, how, or ممكن يبدأ مع كلمة whether. Okay. And how would you know it's a noun clause? عشان هيبقى فيه double verb. هيبقى فيه double verb. هيبقى فيه verb جوه الnoun clause واحد بعديها على طول. That's how you can tell. And so the noun clause, this is a subject of the sentence. الclause ده كلها, and this is the verb. And this is why the answer is D. أعتقد أنت قلت إجابة A, صح؟
لا انا قلت بي.
That's even worse.
مم.
على الأقل comma which ده معروف. بس
المشكله
ده
دي انا عملتها كده ليه؟ انا كنت
ليه بقى؟
عارف ان في تو independent clauses، بس انا حسيت
Okay.
ان الكلمه هيبقى شكلها احسن كده، ما اعرفش ليه.
شكلها
غباء.
أحسن. الله ينور. الله ينور. Okay, very good job there. Let's go to Mrs. Selma again, number 39. Um, how many independent ideas? Number 39 مرتبطة بنمبر 38 نفس الحاجة.
أيوة معايا كده يبقى 2 فهتبقى دي.
Yeah. Look, that Bermuda relies
Relies
on
on
manufactured goods for the majority of its exports.
places
You see that?
it. أيوة
Yeah.
بعدين
All,
في 2 verbs.
yeah, there's a double verb. الverb بتاع
مم.
الclausal verb بتاع. وبرضه أقول لكم علامة, a sign in both of these. Notice you have a period which, and here you have a period that. So this kind of tells you ممكن يبقى في noun clause. So check if there's a noun clause ولا لا. Thank you, Mrs. Selma. Do you guys have any questions here? Good. Effective practice. Let's go to the next part. Double comma. Number 64 لحد 70. 64 لحد 70. Okay? 64 لحد 70. Begin. Yes, Basmala.
Mister, aren't we solving from 64 to 70?
64 until 70, yes.
Oh, okay. They're the same questions as the others.
Yes, they are. There's only one question that's different, which is 64.
ماشي, let's move on. خلاص ماشي.
Let's
Thank you
just do
for that.
64.
What's 64? What's the answer? Judy. What's the answer? Yeah, Judy.
Huh?
What's the answer to 64, yeah, Judy?
The answer? Um, C? Maybe?
But you changed your answer, Judy. متحوريش. You
أنا
didn't say
لا
so.
لا أنت بتسأل الصح ولا الغباء؟
لا
لو
الصح.
غباء يبقى إيه؟ لو صح يبقى سي أكيد يعني.
Okay. Why do you say غباء? I don't understand that.
يعني مش عارفة ازاي اشرحها. موضوع صعب يعني.
ماشي يا عم. Listen. Idea number 2, it's dependent.
أيوة
Why? How
بالظبط.
is it dependent? عرفتي ازاي؟ بالظبط ازاي بقى؟
Well, it's not a complete.
كلام كتير بقى وليه؟
لا
ليه؟
والله هي it's not a complete sentence. فأكيد
عرفتي ازاي؟ في subject وفي verb. A finding ال subject ال verb would. فازاي بقى مش complete؟
it has no verb. No.
ما هو الverb اهو.
فين؟
would.
finding. صح. لا مش عارفة بس هي يعني dependent.
عشان that بيقطع الريسك. that
تقدر
بياخد الverb. سرق الverb.
يعني
When you
إيه؟
have a subject, that or who or which, and then you have a verb, it takes the verb from the subject.
So that أخدت finding.
تخيلوا that which who إسرائيل والسرق بقى الأرض بتاع السبجكت. Does that connect? No?
يعني لو حضرتك قلتها هتبقى connect.
Yes, حرامي سرق الverb من السبجكت, so السبجكت بقى ملوش verb. Keep that in mind. حرامي الverb. طيب بسم الله اتفضلي.
Like, did it take finding or
No,
would?
finding is the subject. Finding is the subject.
It took would then.
Yeah,
Okay.
that would. So
Yeah.
لازم يبقى في verb تانية for this to be complete. Woogie, 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 woogie. Da, da. Let's do transitions 21 until 24. Yeah. So that we done. خلاص. 21 until 24. خدوا بالكم دول انا مجمع كل الاخطاء بتاعتكم. 21 until 24. 21 until 24. 3 minutes. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, Ahmed Dahab 2 wrong. Judy 2 wrong. No, I'm sorry. Ahmed Dahab 3 wrong. Judy, all of them correct. And Asif. Muayyad 1 wrong. Zizu correct. Dun, 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 dun. What I'm going? Woogie, 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 woogie. Dun, 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 dun. One second, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. Like we were saying, Ahmed Dahab 3 wrong. بسملك كلهم صح. Judy كلهم صح. Muayyad 1 wrong. Muhammad Amir 1 wrong. سلمى عوض كلهم صح. ياسين كلهم صح. Zizu كلهم صح. Let's begin with Ahmed Dahab, question number 21. Question number 21. Are you with me?
Yes.
Well, it tells you here, what does the first sentence tell you? Sorry.
Okay,
What
so
does
the
the
first
first sentence
sentence,
tell you?
um, uh,
Different. It tells you different reasons.
yeah,
Okay. And then here it tells you the different reasons. I have an automation working. ثانية واحدة. Okay, let's stop it. So it's telling you different reasons. So what shows differences?
okay, you should use by contrast.
Okay, there you go. Let's go to the next one. مؤيد, number 22. Is the current theoretical height at which the aircraft no longer remains aloft using the force of lift and the aircraft. Okay, you told me granted. يعني إيه granted?
يعني given
A shortcoming, a problem for the previous information. بس هو مش بيقول لنا problem هنا بيقول لنا that it can't an aircraft no longer remains aloft using the force of lift. It uses something else. So when you're using something else, okay, what answer is
Instead.
something else instead? بديل. Very good job. Let's go to the next one. Dun, 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 dun. That song is in my head. Woogie woogie jiggy 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 jiggy. Do, 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 do. Let's go to Ahmed Yahab, number 24.
Okay,
Topic sentence: volcanoes are not the same.
okay, it will be in contrast.
Yeah, it's showing us how they're differences, how they are different. في أي أسئلة هنا يا شباب? Very good job. Let's go to the next part. Continuing our review, transitions done, grammar done. Before we go into the reading, let's go into the notes. All right. 78 until 84. 78 until 84. Let me change this timer. I think 3 minutes is okay. 78 until 84. I'll give you the 5 minutes idea. Yani. Sorry. Please begin. Mm, 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 mm. Ahmed Ihab, 5 wrong so far, huh? One more minute. Some people still are not done yet. But Smiley gotta work faster, my bro. Judy, 2 wrong. مش مفروض نجيب 2 wrong. مؤيد, you gotta work faster. محمد آمر, لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. 2 صح, الباقي غلط. ما تغيرش إجاباتك. Salma, 1 wrong. Zizu, doing good so far. Mm, 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 mm. Time. Time. Number 78. Okay, beginning from number 78. كل حد محمد أيمن number 78.
هو انا حاسس A و B زي مش عارف، حاسس الاثنين صح، الاثنين كونترست، مش عارف.
No, they're not the same. They're not the same at all. You didn't
وانا مش
read.
عارف، انا جايب 5 mistakes، انا قاعد كنت بكسر الترابيزه اللي انا قاعد عليها دلوقتي.
Yeah, but they're not the same.
um
They're totally different answers.
in contra ثواني، ايه ده؟ اظن ايه هي هتبقى ايه، مش صح؟
Well, yeah, but you're telling me they're the
Okay.
same. فإيه اللي
لا
خليك
لا
تقولي
لا
they're
لا
the
لا
same?
لا 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 لا.
Right? I mean,
Yes.
you're making up things in your head. So the answer is A. عشان إجابة B مش
امم
بيبين, it
ما
doesn't tell us the
ايوه.
contrast.
Yes
Doesn't say the
yes.
contrast. Right? It just says in contrast to balcony house. لا, فين الكونتراست بقى؟ اتفضلي يا سلمى.
Mister, but like it doesn't even say that balcony house was built underneath a rock. Like I just picked it
Underneath a
on
rock
the basis of
overhang.
its contrast.
Okay. Maybe there's a note missing.
Yeah. Mhm.
Maybe there's a point missing. حاجة زي كده. You're not wrong about that. So I'm gonna. Dun, 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 dun. Number 79. Okay, I don't see a problem with 79. Number 80. A lot of people got this one wrong. Yeah, let's go to Muayyad. So it wants to contrast the subject matter of the two prints. Okay. So which answers أول بيورينا contrast يا Mr. Muayyad? I'm on the wrong question. Number 80. Okay. The student wants to compare the critiques of moral relativism and absolutism. So which shows us a comparison, Umayyad? All of them, I think, right? So when we have something like this, عشان كلهم بيبين لي keyword of some sort of comparison, right? So we have to read the notes. It's lack of shared values. Universal. Okay. Your answer, Mike, I think was C. Moral relativism can make it difficult to establish shared values, or there are no universal or fixed values. Okay, on the other hand, provides universal framework by which the morality can be assessed. Shared value system, okay. Moral, universal. Okay. So, do you know why your answer C is wrong? The information غلط. The information is wrong. Can you show me, can you tell me which part is wrong? Moral absolutism is made of what? Universal and fixed values. Your answer بيقول ايه? Universal only. So it's a half answer. يعني نص الانفورميشن موجودة ونص التاني مش موجودة. If you look at answer D, moral relativism can inhibit shared values, صح? That moral absolutism firmly establish, but you can see that it does avoid the latter's rigidity. Okay? Now, how does this answer it? Well, أول حاجة هو بيقول moral relativism صعب يعملوا shared values. صح، ده موجودة هنا. Okay? And that moral absolutism establishes it. It does. عشان بيقول it's universal values, few universal values. But they can see that it avoids the latter's rigidity. What is the latter? Do you know?
The second, which is
Right? The second one.
moral
The latter's
absolutism.
rigidity. Yeah. And it says here, it has right there. It, excuse me, an اسف, is moral relativism. It avoids the latter's rigidity. So moral relativism does not have rigidity. Yani it's flexible. Yani it is flexible. And here it's telling you, critics say that its lack of flexibility, it's دلوقتي moral absolutism. That's it. It has no flexibility. Yani it is rigid. Doesn't accommodate different points of view, which is moral relativism. Does that make sense? It's a hard one. Wow. So you just have to question سؤال زي ده بتعمل ايه? When you have all of them as true, eliminate the ones that give you wrong information. That's the best thing you can do. That's the best thing you could do. Let's go to question number 81. Dun, 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 dun. Basmala number 81. Are you with me? كل حد جاب 81 غلط.
Yes.
ما عدا السلمى. Everybody else got it wrong, by the way. You seen Bardu, you got this wrong. Everybody got this one wrong. Only Selma got this one correct. Okay, so let's see. It's the only one you got wrong, though, yeah. Basmala, so that's good. The student wants to emphasize the significance of a similarity. So we want to emphasize the importance of the similarity. High quality samples of L maximum. Okay, trials by University of California Valley. That's okay. C tab, Hadidinian. 2.2 fact Hadidinian yield of D plant and okay, I'm going to because it was only one with both sufficient high yield and purity rate to most ideal 1.8. Okay. Yeah, many people have both had DNA along with. Okay, so this shows me similarity, but this is wrong. Why?
It doesn't say the importance.
Yeah, it doesn't say the significance of it. So
Mm.
significance is like the effect, how it affects the situation, how it affects الريسيرش بتاعتهم.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're looking for significance and we're looking for similarity. Due to their insufficient yield of purity, this is similarity. C-tab and P-plant were deemed by researchers to be less effective than fact.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
B.
it's B. Similarity and significance. Why it's important. All right, let's go to the next one here. Everybody got that mo wrong. Let's go to number 81. Let's go to... Oh, that was 81. Let's go to 82. Ahmed Dihib, number 82. Ahmed Dihib. We want a difference. Which one shows me difference is the Ahmed Dihib?
Okay, so it's either A or C.
Okay. So now you look in the information, see which one is true.
Okay. So,
Which one is true?
yeah, you have to read the text.
Yeah. Especially لو عندكم 2 answers or 3 answers or 4 answers. Stop skipping the text. Did you read the text or did you skip it?
To be honest, I skipped it.
MashaAllah. That's why you got most of them wrong. خد بالك.
Yeah.
Stop skipping. Stop skipping. Stop snitching. I don't know what I'm talking about. طيب, what's the answer? Or let me save time. The answer is A. The average nighttime luminance of Dark Sky Sanctuary exceeds Dark Sky Park. And if you go here, you're going to find it exceeds it. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Okay. Number 83. A lot of people got 83 wrong. Let me go to Muhammad Amir. No, hold on. Let me go to Yassine. معايا ياسين؟ ايه يا جدعان number 83 ازاي بنجيب number 83 wrong انا مش فاهم. only
بس
بسملة got
حاسس
this
إن
correct.
السؤال نفسه غلط.
ايه؟
حاسس إن السؤال نفسه غلط.
ليه؟
بيقول لي
كده؟
عاوز أعمل refute
First
then
refuted claim the
apricots
apricots
are
are better
better
source
source
of
of
vitamin C. ماشي. So you want to say kale is better than apricots.
إيه مش بيجيب سيرة الأبريكوت أصلا.
ماشي يا عم انت فاكر نفسك شاطر يعني؟ انت كده شاطر يعني؟ Thank you, sir. All right. Sorry about that, gang. All right, sit there. Okay, we have a few more minutes left. And عايزاكوا for homework. Well, مش هديكوا homework اشوفكوا بكرة. بس حاجة ممكن تعملوها خلصوا ال vocabulary من 1 until 20. خلصوا ال vocabulary. Plus, you should be doing the there should be targeted activities موجودة عندكم في الداشبورد. انا كده ما نزلش homework على يوم الأحد. I don't assign homework. Students داخلين المحاولة يوم السبت. Selma, adaptive test again. After you finish the homework ال 20 سؤال, I would do a no, I wouldn't tell you adaptive test. You know what I'm gonna tell you? هنزلك انتي targeted activities دلوقتي يا سلمى عشان تدخلي المحاولة this weekend. So we wanna make sure that you are practicing properly. هوني بس هنزل السلمى if that's okay with everybody else. So Selma, you don't have to study everything. You just need to study what you're bad at. And the more you do that, the better you are. احنا كده خلصنا الشباب، اشوفكم بكره خلص الفوكابulary بس على الاساينمنت ده. Do you guys have any questions? Yes, Ahmed Ihab.
So I noticed that there is math site in the website. Is it
Yeah.
updated that I can
Yeah.
معتمد عليه? Can I depend on it?
Yeah. It's a
Okay,
full
nice.
math system. Full math. خد بالك ده موقع اشتراك. انا السنتين the past 2 years عندي فوق 840 مشترك for English and math ومش في مصر، كلهم من امريكا. So
Nice.
you know it's math. عيش حياتك على math. ولو عايزني انزلك targeted activities بعد ما تخلص امتحانات math I can do that. هو بينزل
Okay, good.
لوحده by the way. هو بينزل لوحده. Yes,
Okay.
Mrs. بسملة.
يعني هي like ضمن ال English course I can use math or is that
Yeah,
like it's
use
just
math عادي. وفي act 2 منهج الاكت 2 biology اللي بيجي منها الامتحانات. يعني انا
so
بجيب
I
كل
don't have
حاجة.
to like do another course or another subscription for it?
No. I
Oh,
told you هو بيجي معايا. It's part of my package. But nobody
okay.
uses it. ودولت real tests. So دولت الأسئلة اللي هتشوفيها في الامتحان يعني. وبرضو ال AI شرحه حلو قوي في الماث. شرحه حلو قوي في الماث أكتر من انجلش. سلمى targeted activities نزل عندك، انت عندك
يعني I
150
could just
سؤال.
search like math tests and that's it?
I would begin with an adaptive test for you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then you would see your weaknesses. And then هو daily أو weekly أنا نسيت how often and لازم تشيك الكود. So what happens is the system نفسه من نفسه كده لوحده بينزلك targeted activities here under library and history. هينزلك targeted activities بناء على ال weaknesses بتاعتك في math or English whatever. بس انت
So
لازم
does it
تعملي
adapt?
ايه؟ Yeah, what you to do is go to goals with the option math.
Okay.
Yeah, set the primary English as the primary and then قولي بقى التفاصيل دولت. عايز اوصل 800 امتحان يوم كذا 90 minutes save and build my plan. So now when you do the practice you change where do you change from? And then see where you change from. Today. Oh yeah, you change from here? No. Where was it? Oh my god, I'm so retarded right now. استحملوا معايا. The scope is DSA English. I forgot where you change the scope. Scope يعني بيركز لك على activities English or math. I'm sorry. عشان if you do English كل activities هنا ينزل English. So that means I think you change it from here. Is that math? I gotta refresh the page. Yeah, so you have the math test. I'll show you in a minute, but I have a class right now. I have to go. So you have access to math. Do you guys have any questions before we go? All right, gang. Thank you for coming. Anything, shout out. Bye.